Meet the Tinger Track 2 amphibious ATV that's made in Russia. This beast of an all-terrain vehicle can navigate many challenging terrains in any weather condition. Its strong steel reinforced tracks enable it to easily climb over logs, branches and rocks, traverse through woods, swampland and marshes, climb up large sandy mounds, and move through water with ease. Its versatility is so impressive that it can actually replace 5 different types of vehicles. Equipped with a 3-cylinder, 812cc, 57 horsepower engine, it's energy efficient and reliable. The Tinger Track 2 amphibious ATV can replace a squad bike as it allows you to ride through practically any rugged terrain. It's also a UTV, utility task vehicle, as it can transport people, materials and equipment. It's amphibious and can move through the water, plus it's easier to go ashore thanks to its extra weight in the front. It's a swamp buggy because it can pass through boggy ground and marshland, and it functions as a snowmobile as it can travel through snow. The Tinger Track 2 amphibious ATV is longer than previous Tinger models, being 3,430 mm long and weighing 950 kilograms. Adjustable front seats allow for passenger and cargo space, and therefore passengers can ride in comfort in the 4-seater. This also allows for less bouncing when crossing obstacles, as well as climbing steep inclines. The rear folding seat allows for extra payload capacity. The Tinger Track 2 has the option to be equipped with a frame and hardtop, which provides better protection from the rain and snow. It can also come with an optional rollover protection structure, an optional roof rack, and a heated windshield. This durable ATV's new design provides better weight distribution, which adds to its comfort. It also has improved steering and maneuverability and increased ground clearance to 50 mm, which improves its off-road performance. It also has reinforced suspension, which includes new drive rolls, enforced suspension arms, and enforced coil springs. Its new fuel tank has increased 3 times, and the maintenance is easier because its engine is more accessible than before. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.